Okay, let's unbox this FISHMAS calendar.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna open up FISHMAS and we're gonna start with number 1. And this is an advent calendar, 24 days of FISHMAS. And this is number 1, a sneak peek. Oh my gosh, and we already kind of jabbed ourselves. Oh, look at that. This is your first day of FISHMAS. Wow. Let's do the second one. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just have to be more careful.
That one's cute. I love that one.
It's a spoon. So three, right here.
That's a cute one. I like number 3. Ooh.
This is like my keychain.
Yeah, I like that one. It's like a minnow.
Yeah. 4. Oh.
Oh, that one's pretty. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, these little hairs will track trout. I think. Okay, what was that? 5, 6.
There.
Here. Oh, frog. That's cool. That's for bass.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's cool. That's really pretty too. I like the colors.
Where we go fishing, that would be a good one. Near the little bushes. Another spoon. I think these things are supposed to act like salmon eggs. And trout like those. Okay, 8. Look. The power. Another one. Okay. 10. This is spoon, another one. A lot of spoons and things for trout fishing. It's probably another spoon. Oh, I think these are called Whopper Floppers.
Those are cool. That's pretty.
So when you drag this one, it makes a bubbling noise.
Oh, that looks kind of pretty.
It's for topwater fishing. That's right. Yeah. Oh, some soft plastics. These look like. I'm sure a bug, I think. Quick bug. A small. I forgot. I don't know these. I think these are a spoon too. There's a lot of spoons. 14.
Nope, 14's there.
Oh, that's a shrimp. That's cool. I don't know how I would use that for. In this area, there's no shrimp.
Yeah.
15. That's like a soft plastic. Another one with a red tail.
What's that for?
It's the same as the other soft paddle one. This one moves more than this one. This one's kind of softer, and this one kind of shakes because of the paddle.
Okay.
And this one. Okay, 16. Well, what is that? It's probably... That's cool. Maybe you use this for bass fishing. I don't know the name of it.
Oh, my grandpa caught a fish like that before. That's pretty.
Yeah, I like this one. I don't want to use it.
Like that one.
What's next? 17?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this. The other ones. Another spoon. Sure what these ones are meant for. Oh, they're neat. Next. 18. I don't know what kind of hooks these are. But you can do wacky worm, I think. Or Texas red. Red hooks. Two. Looks like another frog. Oh, another frog.
Do bass eat frogs?
Yeah, the bassies, the frogs. Like if you put this by the lily pads.
Or trout? Do trout eat it?
Trout do not eat those. Trouts really just do small baits. What's next?
Oh.
This is gonna be a good one. It's pink. Like a minnow, yeah. Also doesn't shine anything. You can see it. 22. Another spoon. Nice long one. 22. This one, I like the pink on it. There's a little orange. These are the ones. Is that blue or purple ones? Blue.
Last one.
Last one.
Oh.
Get some good baits off of this one.
Wow. And that was our 24 days of FISHMAS.